Before we proceed, there's one thing you need to know as a VA. You need to be able to find emails no matter what you are looking for. You need to be able to find emails. And how do we do that? So you're going to use filter button. You could use your search to look for emails. If you have something you are looking for in particular, for instance, I could look for emails with receipts, for instance, and I'm going to see all emails that has one or two receipts in it. So you could check them out and try to look for emails with receipts in it. So when you check all these now, you could look for emails that has receipts in it. So that's how to go about finding emails that and finding different searches. But you could use advanced search. So when you click on advanced search, which is also a filter, so you could actually search for emails with, like, from someone. If you are looking for a particular email and that email is from someone, so you could actually use from to search. And for instance, if I'm looking for a particular email from Belad, so I could always look for Belad, okay, at gmail.com. Or if I'm looking for a particular email from info at Belad Creative, I could always search for this. And if you're looking for something different, so once I search for this, I have no email with that. So that is how to look for from. So this same filter button is used to search for email. So let's say you are searching for emails that you sent to someone, you use the tool, and if you remember the person's email, you can actually search for that. If the email has a document they are looking for, you have to tick as attachment so that you can look for it. And if it's by megabytes, you can look for email with bigger size, so you could use greater than maybe 10 megabytes or something. If you have a keyword you're looking for, you could look for email with certain keywords, so you can actually look for emails with certain keywords right here. And you can actually do more of this, so you can combine operators as well. You can look for emails from someone and add attachment as well. Then if you know the date you received the email, if it's in the last 30 days, you can do that as well. So this is how to look for something if you're having to look for something or you want to search. So you can use all these parameters to look for whatever you're looking for. That's how to do an advanced search basically, and you'll be able to look for whatever you're looking for. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.